I always hated working the night shift at the bauxite plant. I swear I saw things that weren't there, things that made me shiver and pray. One night, I had to go to the changing room to get a new pair of gloves. I left my department and walked along the deserted road. The moonlight was very bright as well as the street lights. As I was walking, I noticed a figure ahead of me. It looked like a man, wearing a hard hat and a reflective vest. He was walking slowly, as if he was tired or lost. I thought he was a worker from another department. He suddenly crossed the road and went under a building. I thought that was strange, because there was nothing under that building except some old pipes and wires. As I approached the building, I was curious, so I looked and I saw something that made my blood run cold. It wasn't a man, it was a dog, a big white dog. Where did the man went? Did it shapeshifted into a dog? I felt a surge of fear and panic. I knew this was no ordinary dog. This was a ghost of a former worker, I assumed. I closed my eyes and started to plead the blood of Jesus. I hoped that would protect me from the evil spirit. I repeated the words over and over until I felt a calmness wash over me. I opened my eyes and the dog was gone. I breathed a sigh of relief and thanked God for saving me. I also started to rub myself with rose oil before every shift to ward off any other ghosts. The following week, I applied to work only day shift. It took a year before I got accepted. Now I am happily working only day shift.